Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I thought I would bring you guys around to do a few plant chores that I've been putting off for quite a while now. I have a few plants that I have doubles of that I've been wanting to combine. We are going to be ponverting a plant and propagating a plant as well. So if that's something that interests you, then just keep watching. So first things first, I wanted to go over to my plant shelf and collect the doubles that I do have. I have two smaller golden pothos that I really wanted to pot up together. I also have some doubles of those little Hoya obovadas that I potted up in my Ponverting Hoya obovada video. I do want to pot these together as well. And then lastly, I did want to pot my Hoya pupa calyx together because they are growing quite wildly right now. And the smaller one looks a little wonky, if I do say so myself, so those are getting potted together as well. We do have our work quite cut out for us today, so I am going to start off with making a mango smoothie. Doesn't really look like a mango smoothie. Okay, let's get it started. Ha! I think the first thing I want to do is propagate my Monstera deliciosa because I've been looking at it all weekend, trying to hold back from chopping it up. So I'm gonna cut him right out the leca so we can get him up off this unstable ass disc. Oh my god. Just gonna snip him right out from the bottom. Imagine one landed in my smoothie. I'd be so mad. You see that? Ugh, why does it look like that? It looks disgusting. So this is what we're working with, and we're going to be propagating this because this is the only Monstera I have with no fenestrations on it. This is the last leaf that came out that had no fenestrations. So we're gonna chop him up. We're gonna cut under the first node, which is right there, that little dot. Oop. That's healthier. This one does look a lot cleaner than the other one. The other one looks so gross, but we're still gonna propagate it. I'm just gonna stick this in here, pretend there's water in there. How cute is this? I miss having Monstera deliciosa propagations everywhere. That's where they were before I potted them up into leca all those months ago. I'm gonna leave, you can't even see me anymore, but I'm going to leave this arrow root on just cause I want to. I'm probably just gonna trim it though a little bit. Ew. Get those little balls off at the end. And that leaves us with this little thingy. I'm just gonna cut off the excess and plop them in here as well. Now we have our propagated Monstera deliciosa. I'm super pumped. Oh yeah. I think I want to put my philodendron Trivia Moonlight in pond next. So this is my philodendron Trivia Moonlight. Has 3 leaves on it. It's in leca currently, and I really want to switch her to pond. Not for any particular reason. Maybe she'll be more stable in pond and put out more leaves. I swear it took months for this leaf to come out. So gonna dump the leca in here for now. Okay. This is what the root is looking like. Ew. Going right back in his same container. There's a little bit of leca in here, it's okay. That's probably too much for the bottom. And then we're just gonna put him back down in here. It's a mixture of leca and pond. He was falling all over the place when he was in leca, like he wasn't as sturdy. So I'm really happy because I can already tell he's a lot more sturdy. Oh, I mean, chill. But I can already tell he's a lot more sturdy. Look at how cute he is. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. Got some fine dandy roots there. I think I'm gonna put them in here. This is one of the jars that I've had in my early leca journey, hence the hole. And then this one. Look at how pretty this is. Love it. If you guys follow me on my Mother of Plants Instagram, I just posted a picture of my pothos I just potted up. That was actually my first plant ever, and it's just now starting to take off. Oh. Okay. We got a little bit of root boundiness, not really, but put that right there for now. So I grabbed this pot for the pothos. I'm gonna put some pon at the bottom. I wanna retain some of that moisture. I just like that much pon in there. There's a few pieces of leca. And now we're just going to do something like that. Do something like this. And something like this. I'm a little bit scared because I did see bugs come out of this. Not gonna lie. How disgusting. I'm scared. That's why I'm doing this kind of quick. Because Is that feeling? I'm kind of rough with my pothos because they are such hardy plants, meaning they're hard to kill. So this is what she looks like. Oh my god, this is so cute. Aww. Yay, another pothos. The obavadas are gonna be potted together. Little candle jar. If you've been following me for a while, you're very familiar with this jar. This is the first one right here. I'm gonna put some pon at the bottom really quick. So about that much. I'm just gonna yank these out and transfer them just like that. Just gonna pull them out and just kind of hang them in there. Oops. Gonna have to sweep again. My life literally revolves around sweeping. There's no other way to put it. And then I'm just taking the pon that's still in here and just gonna pour it in. Oh Jesus. Maybe not pour it on the leaves like that. Do this instead. I'm so messy. Clearly I enjoy cleaning every second of my life. Here. Way more compact and cute. Look at this thing. Super pumped. I know there's gonna be bugs inside these Hoyas. I kind of don't even want to take them out. I'm scared. I think we're just gonna like pick this up out the pot, like all the leaves like this. Just kidding, that did not work. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Same thing with this one. Oh my god, this smells like ass. I'm so scared. Oh my god. It's raining balls. Oh Jesus. Just trying to do a little transfer. Buggies, leave me alone, bugs. I know you're in here. Big baby Hoya cubic calyx. I'm so excited, guys. Yay. I was like hesitant to do this, but I'm really pumped that I did. Okay. It looks so much better. Like you can actually see that it's a beautiful Hoya pubic calyx with long tendrils. I loves it. I really do. I really loves it a lot. That does bring me to the end of today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until my next video, bye guys. Let's get it started in here. I say ooh, la 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 ooh. All right.